equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. Start by powering off your HP All-in-One and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, lay the device face down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious as there may be clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the screen connector. Carefully disconnect it by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Next, remove the screws securing the screen to the frame. There are usually 4 screws, 1 in each corner. Once these are removed, gently lift the screen away from the frame. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the screen is fragile. Now, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you just removed. Ensure it's firmly attached but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the screen. Reconnect the screen connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's seated properly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. Once everything is connected, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. Finally, power on your HP All-in-One to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our service is designed to make your life easier, with no calls and no travel required. This concludes the screen replacement process. Enjoy your newly functioning HP AIO. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.